Okay, so today we're going to go over multiplying and dividing integers. We've written some rules here, and I've just written them a little different than you'll normally see them. This is not a t. This is supposed to be a positive sign. Okay, and what it's saying is if you have a positive number divided by another positive number, you're going to end up with a positive answer. If you have a negative number divided by another negative number, you're going to end up with a positive answer. So what that means is if the signs are the same, your answers will always be positive. And that's working between two numbers. Okay? If we have opposite signs, so positive divided by a negative, we'll get a negative answer. Or negative divided by a positive, we'll get a negative answer. Okay? The reason I've written an X, supposed to be a multiplication sign, what it's saying is these rules stand for division or for multiplication. Whether we're multiplying or dividing, these are the rules between two numbers when we have the same positive or negatives or different values. Okay, so let's start with a couple division type questions. Let's say we have 36 divided by 6. Okay, or I'm going to write this another way. 36 over 6. Both of these are the exact same question. One of them is written pretty much on one horizontal plane or one line, and the other one is written like a fraction. They mean the exact same thing. This says, or is read as 36, this is a division symbol divided by the value of 6, or 36 over, that over or the fraction stands for division. So 36 divided by 6. These both are going to give us the same answer. Now, what are these? Is this a positive or negative integer here? It's positive, that's right. If there's no value written, we assume we have a positive value. What about the 6? Exactly. So we're working with a positive divided by a positive, which means our answer is going to be what? Positive, that's right. And in this case, what's 36 divided by 6? That's right. So we're going to have positive 6. Neither of these. Now, do I need to write that positive sign in front? No, I don't have to do it. You can. It's not wrong. But if we don't write anything, it's assumed that we have a positive value. Okay? Let's do another one here. Let's say 42 divided by, what's a good value? 7? 7. Okay. We have negative 42 divided by 7. Okay. Now, what am I working with? I have a negative and a, okay, which means my answer is going to be what? That's right, our answer is going to be a negative value. Now that we have our negative value, we can look at specifically the values of the numbers. What is 42 divided by 7? That's right, 6. So our answer is negative 6 in this case. And it could have also been read by divided by 7 equals negative 6. Okay? Now, I know we're working on a bit of mental math here. If you couldn't get that right away, that's fine. We're kind of working on our multiplication tables also. Let's go with one other last one here. Let's say we have negative 50 over 10. This is still a division question. Actually, I'm going to make it over negative 10. Negative 50 divided by negative 10. We have two negatives, so our answer will be positive. And what's the value going to be? 5. So I'm just going to write the value of 5. I don't need to write in the positive value. Okay? So we have those there. That's great. Next what we'll do is a couple multiplication questions. Let's say I have negative 7 by negative 6. Okay. Two negatives multiplied by each other. Positive value. Sorry about that. 7 times 6? That's right. 42. Okay. Very good. We actually did that in the reverse in the division. Okay. What if we have 5 multiplied by negative 8? We have a, what value is this, or what integer? Positive. Positive multiplied by negative gives us negative, and what's the value? That's right, negative 40. So I think you guys have kind of have the gist of this. Okay. Here's your entire page. That took us